I walked in, Bookies. Everybody's still asleep, so I'm gonna sit down for a few minutes, relax, and then load this freezer up with the meats. Enjoy the video. I try to relax in between the time that I'm making these videos. I'm telling you, being a creator is not easy, it's not hard either, but at the same time, it takes a lot of work and effort to get into these videos. So enjoy the video, guys. So I'm just getting in the house, and I'm getting ready to do a grocery haul, meats haul into my freezer. And I'll put a couple in bags. Aisha just now getting back in the house for almost 10-20 minutes. Walking outside to get meats. I don't know what happened to him while he was out there. What happened? The dog came? So what takes so long? I mean, like, put my stuff in the freezer. That's mine. Like, that's the first thing you had on the top of the bag. Like, you about to get that. That's mine. Y'all get it. No, ma'am. I got pieces of stuff for y'all. I got something for myself that I hope nobody don't go in the refrigerator and eat. Because y'all kids always doing that. But he took almost 20 minutes to get this little bit of stuff out the car. But anyways, y'all about to get ready to haul all the stuff into the freezer. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bell when you see post the video. So we're gonna get into it. Alright, y'all, my lovely baby has woke up. So since she's awake, I got her right here. I'm about to give her some cheese balls while I put these groceries up. So we're about to get into this video now. Right there. Let's get a little bit of light going. Ooh, yummy. Alright, so I'm looking to get this stuff loaded in. Freezer. Right now, I'm gonna put these in the cabinet while I'm in the shop. Got they're right here. I took a whole baggie of them in my bag, and then I got them right here on my Right? I'm gonna close this back up, and then I'm gonna get into this. You see Sauce Time right there eating them cheese puffs. Aisha, you want some? No? Kira, you want some? No? Okay. Alright, y'all, so let's get into the video. She wants one. This side one. Give this shit one. And a log. Log on camera. Alright, y'all, somebody get into it. So as I open up the freezer, I'm going to start stacking it up. So I'm gonna close the refrigerator side back up, and we're gonna start loading this side in. Got the meats here. I'm gonna go ahead and stack on my chest so I can load them in right like this. Make sure you don't show the kids in the back. Thank you, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put some of these Ziploc bags. Not all of them. Sit it down. Hold these in. Chop, y'all. Chicken day. You always want to pull the old meat forward. Pull the old meat out. Alright, we're gonna pull that out. Alright, then we're gonna put the new meat in, and then we'll put the old meat back. So that's how that's gonna work. Chicken in there. Chop here. Alright, and then what else we got? Wait on this side. Come on with me. More chicken here. More meat here. So we're gonna put the rest of these fresh meat first. And then please put the paper in the paper towel. Like normal time. Alright, this is the roast. We're gonna slide that roast here for now. Roast that down. Chicken. Here. You always stack all the chicken. Fresh eggs. Put that back here. We got the fish that I got. Chicken, fish. I'm gonna slide it. You see what else I got to put in here. These bags going in the trash because I got blood in it. So I do it like this. Let's see if I got any more meats over here before I put the rest in. Right, snack bag. I'm gonna open the applesauce up. Put it down on the bottom. I'm about to close this one. Pizza's always bottom. Somehow. I think matter of fact, how about this? Since they're about to eat me, we're gonna do it like put this in here. Right? Slide me to the side. And this come on this side and finish. Water casing in. Y'all know what the one jug of milk already? Is it good? Is it good? You got it all over the clothes, mama. We should have put a bib on that baby. Yes, we should. Them teeth coming in. I know. I love you. I love you. Say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Good girl. All right, so I stacked the other chips up there in the top. All the snacks in the top. Everything down at the bottom, the water bottles. Everything in there, y'all. All right, y'all. That was a quick grocery haul. I want to show you this little lamp here. Oh! This little lamp right here was $10. It's on clearance for $3. So I went ahead and got the lamp. And the lady told me to pick out a thing to go with it. So I got the little thing to go with it. The lamp was actually nice. Let me let y'all see. The lamp is right here. It's very nice. I'm gonna put it on my table in my room. I'm gonna get a bulb for it. But $3. Honey. I can tell you can't beat that. Now that's nice. Very nice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.